Alright, so here we are at Stephen Wade Honda, and today I'm going to show you how to schedule an appointment with our service center. So you're going to come to this main menu and select the Service tab, and then in the drop down you'll have the option to schedule service now. Go ahead and select that. And then here you'll have the option to enter your phone or email. If you are a returning customer and have had your car serviced with us before, it will remember you based on your phone or email. Or if you are a new customer and this is your first time bringing your car in to be serviced, this will just be how we start the process. So I'm going to enter my phone number. Okay, and then here it'll ask for the make of your vehicle. If you have a Honda, it's already right there available for you. Otherwise, you can select an other and go through that process with whatever make your vehicle is. We'll go ahead and select Honda, and then the year of the car and the model. And then we'll get some additional information like the transmission and the trim. And then here you will input a ballpark of your mileage. That mileage is important because it will determine whether you have some upcoming maintenance based on your mileage, like this minder item A, minder item B. So if you'd like to have maintenance done for either of those scheduled services, you can select here or here. And then you can also select individual services like replace engine oil, rotate tires, just by selecting in that checkbox, or if there's other services that you need to have done for your vehicle, they're usually available here. The most common, there's a list of them there, and there's some additional, or if it's something that's not listed in these services, you can always tell us more and give us some more details about what you need done. Once that is complete, you can go back to this first screen. You can also search for recalls. You just simply have to enter your VIN, and that will notify you if there are any recalls on your vehicle. We can go ahead and continue on to the next page. This will ask you whether you will be staying at the dealership while your car is serviced or if you need a ride somewhere. And then here we have the calendar where you can select the day and time of your appointment. And once that's selected, you can go on to the review page. And here it will just ask for your contact info. You'll put in your first name, your last name, your email. And then over here you can determine whether you'd like to receive text messages or email updates. And you can also see here that we have an estimated charges, so you can have a good idea going into the appointment what your total cost could be. And then once you have selected an option here, you can go ahead and schedule your appointment. Thanks for joining us today and learning how to schedule an appointment with our service center.